Hello everyone, I'm Nilit Roy and this is a product demonstration for Bhairava. Now we are using Next.js as a front end and Django as a backend, and we are using the Django REST framework to connect both the front end and the backend. Through this login page we can log in, and through this register page we can register, and after that we'll be redirected to this page, which is our command center or our dashboard, where we can get all the scores, threats, risk, live agent actions. We have then this active threads, which shows all those threats, a compliance dashboard to get all those compliance reports, and we can generate one as well. The agents dashboard, where we can see all our agents, a control panel, and everything over here. A code scanner, where we can upload our files or we can upload a repository, we can scan it, and we also have this identity trust, which calculates the trust score using this trust formula, and it creates a trust score for each and every entity. An entity can be a service or a person, and it gives a relevant score for it, with which we can track whether the entity is trustable or not. Lastly, we have the system resilience, with which we can create an atomic rollback to restore to a previous point due to some threat and all. Now, as you can see over here, we are using a somewhat static like dashboard, and it's not dynamic. You may think it like that, but each and everything over here, like the threads and all, is everything dynamic. The reason it's looking like static is because I couldn't attach, or I couldn't connect the Azure Foundry and the Azure machine learning platforms because of insufficient credits. I have applied for a student subscription for the Azure AI, but I'm getting this error. I have contacted the Microsoft support as well, saying that I am still a student. I'm in my first year, so like I should be eligible for this, but because I had a previous account, and I don't know why, but they say that we can apply or like renew it, but due to some error in the backend of Azure, maybe something like that, couldn't access it. Now they are supportive, they are helpful, they are guiding me through all those all the necessary steps and all, and I have learned quite many things from them. So, but still, a fact is a fact that I couldn't apply my Azure Foundry and Azure machine learning, those techniques or the algorithms for them over here. And I'm not playing a blame game over here. What I'm trying to say is that if someone has the resources or the credits for Azure, they can make something like this SOC or a security operations center. So, because playing a blame game will only just like hinder the technological advancement. So yeah, with this I would like to end, and have a nice day.